Hello. Today, I will be showing you steps for how to print program information from a resource card. Community members may want a hard copy of a program's contact information and other details about the program. The resource page can be printed and in any language that is preferred by the community member. As always, first make sure to log into your CAREAPP account at hccareapp.org. Then begin the search process for the desired resource. Once you've located the program, click on the program name that is bolded at the top of the resource card. The full details of the program will be displayed. If you need to change the language of the resource information before printing, click on the Select Language drop-down at the top left of the screen. Choose the preferred language and click the arrow next to the chosen language. The page will automatically be translated into that language, and you can select the box that reads Print. If you want to print multiple programs for a member, click on the box located at the top left corner of the resource card. You will see highlighted text appear showing the number of programs selected. Once you have selected all of the resources you intend to print, click on the highlighted box. The below text box will appear and click Print. A new window will open providing a preview of the information that you are printing. At the very top of the page, click Print Programs, and your client will be all set with the list of resources to whom they can reach out to. Thank you for reviewing these steps on how to print resources in CAREAPP.